What he's doing is heroic.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Dad is married to saving the world. I feel the same calling. It's so much fun.
I like it. She wants to change the world.
Stakes are different now.
He's just like Dad. He's Black Lightning. Dad!
Black Lightning. Season premiere Tuesday, October 9th on the CW.
Welcome everybody to the Warner Brothers booth. It's the cast of Black Lightning. Black Lightning returns to the CW on Tuesday, October 9th, 9 p.m., 8 Central.
Can I get a photo of me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Need my coffee. I need my coffee. Thank you.
Thanks. Cool. Hello. Hi. Hello. Of course.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you. My dress down. Come on. Oh, I love you. You queen. I love you. You too, boo. Oh, you laughing. No. Oh, my bad, my bad. I didn't see
Let's get this work, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the fine work, bro. While I'm here. While I'm here, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. What's good? Hi, guys. Hi, boobs. Hello. Hi. Y'all are so cute. You're welcome. Are you having fun? Yeah. Oh, my God. Hi. Good to see you. Bye. Oh, yes, hair. Yes. Hi.
I might hold this for Harder Dixie.
How you doing? Thank you.
I gotta watch out. Black Lightning.
It's really different.
All for you. All of you.
Hey, buddy, what's going on, man? Good to see you, brother. Hey.
Just this one's going to go down to the.
Hey, look at the Black Lightning badge. You see the Black Lightning badge? Oh, the badge, yeah. It's killer.
You're doing so bad. I was like, oh my God. I was just checking in. She was standing at the desk.
Marvin, Unbeaten's friends want to say hi to you.
Hey!
I don't present the demo.
Told me y'all was going to. Did we get the panel?
No, I couldn't make it. I just got in Berlin. I'm sorry. But I've been dining here for like 4 years.
Thank you for coming.
Hi, how you doing?
it's bird. Like, yeah, but no, how are you doing? No, you better work. You better see it, dog. Go ahead, then. You're welcome. Wow, my friends from my acting class.
Where?
Got a little walk. Oh my God. His name is Drake. I just want to pinch those sheets. I just want to pinch that sheet. China, that's Drake. Who? His name is Drake. Drake? Yeah. How old is Drake? Wow. How old is Drake? He just turned 3. Something like that. Hi. 3-year-old, I know. Yeah.
Good.
I love him. Thank you. Hi, how you doing? Really good.
Yeah, how you doing?
I love how you're swerving. I love your shirt. You like Vampire Diaries? I love Vampire Diaries.
Man,
I love Black Lightning.
good save, good save.
Big fan. I like you a lot better as a hero than a villain.
Oh, me too. I do too. Hey, how you doing?
You have to pick.
You gotta have it.
You're a real one. You're really for that. Thank you, boo. Doing amazing. You tired yet? There we go. I did some of that. Got it. I'm doing great. How you doing? No problem. There you go.
Thank you for watching.
I know, me too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I gotta go buy it. Thanks a lot, press.
How are you doing? Good.
I'm great. How are you?
Watching. Thank you so much.
Why is he even on TV? I'm mad at you. You guys are awesome. I must. Yeah, that's what I'm like. I've got my hand sanitizer. I'm like, every 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh, God. Thank you. Guys, you're awesome. You what? Yes, you too. We're on Netflix.
Coming out.
Thank you. You got a kiss. Yes, they do.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, man. I love you too.
Thank you for watching.
I'm great. How you doing?
Doing good.
Are you tired or are you okay?
Look at that.
Give you some energy. There you go. Did you feel that? Oh, girl. Well, enjoy it. Why?
It's hard to be both.
This is great.
Yeah,
It's been a great day. Hello, how you doing? Great. Yourself? Doing great. Thank you for having me.
Hey, how are you? Good?
Oh, thank you.
Good.
Tell me something.
You having a good day? Yes, it is. Hey, bud, how are you, man? Good, good, good.
Not too hot, not too cold. Thank you.
Hey, man, how you doing?
Oh, man, you're so